In Tickle Town Zoo, Gary the giraffe sneezed so loudly, it shook the toucans off their perch. Turns out, Gary was allergic to his own spots. Dr. Panda prescribed polka-dotted pajamas to keep the sneezes away. But now Gary looked so silly that all the animals burst into laughter. Ellie the elephant joined in with a polka-dot hat, and soon the whole zoo had a fashion show. Even the grumpy crocodile cracked a smile. From that day on, sneezes or not, Gary became the zoo's giggle champion. Moral: it's okay to be different. Sometimes it's the start of the fun.